finance right now and Canadian economics are in shambles. From province to
Are we
province.
really that bad? Or we just hit a bump?
If you look at
It's recoverable, no?
Of course, it's always going to be. We haven't hit the bottom yet. I'm just tell you this much, okay? We're not at the bottom yet. The next time the central bank is going to be talking, they're going to lower rates again. Even though you can't get your mortgage rate at the what the actual central bank is offering, right? The central bank is keeps on lowering interest rates. The banks, they are working with the central bank's numbers, but they can't offer you the same interest rate that the central bank is giving them. So I don't know. I guess the actual fixed rate is about 3%. Let's say. I'm not exactly sure, but the 5-year mortgage here right now is probably about 5%.
6 maybe. That's 7 when I signed.
And that's because the bond market is telling them, no, you can't.
It's starting to lower. Everything's starting
of course,
to lower. Yeah.
And it's going to get lower eventually. But man, the central bank has to go much lower. Thing is that the bond market is what really dictates our interest rates, us as consumers. It's not the central bank is always.
But buying bonds help the economy? Is that what you're saying?
That's it's called quantitative easing. By buying the central bank buying their own bonds, it's a form of easing. It's a form of.
But it can counteract this.
It could lower interest rates in the long term.
Why isn't it like promoted more? Like buy bonds, buy Canadian bonds. Like let's get out of here. Like why isn't it like promoted more? Like because people are not finance savvy. Like I wouldn't know buying bonds would help the economy. Why don't they like have a campaign?
See, this is a course that should be taught. This our education system is missing these things.
Finance stuff. I agree.
Yeah, man. Like
it should be like a prerequisite of how to like invest your money. Like at least in high
start
school
teaching
or
it from element. No, start teaching it from element. Who cares about the Pythagorean garbage?
Peter has
mathematics.
2 saving bonds.
It's a big
He's
scam,
investing in Tesla
by buying your own bonds at the moment.
In math to a certain point, I'd rather learn math and financing so I can make money. Right? Imagine you would have started learning financing in high school or something.
Like
or even from elementary school. Just little in math class itself.
Hey, everybody. Thanks for sticking around. If you're loving this content, hit the like button and subscribe and join to our awesome community. Ring that notification bell so you'll never miss a beat. Together, we're building something so special. Let's grow this channel and let's have some fun along the way. For some more content, check out these other fantastic channels. You got Check-in Habs, one-stop shop for all those things. Habs, sports, we got so much information on sports, guys. Come on. Hello. And Check and Report. Stay informed of the latest political news and current events. Hello. So that's it, fam. Come and check us out.
Just like the basics of like how a stock exchange works and then like hedging and shorting, like that kind of stuff. Like,
never got that.
Is it?
No, it's not talked about.
It's
very select few that talk about it.
Like it really have to be dumbed down because I don't think it's a topic that's suitable for young teenage brains to.
Yeah, maybe that's stock. I was
like
reaching too much there.
No, but like dumb it down a bit, like a silly example, like you were saying before, But I would have liked to get a piece of that.
There should be definitely a very simple, banking 101
education.
Yes,
banking, finance education.
Hey, how to balance your freaking checkbook. Once upon a time, everybody used to write down. Okay, I wrote a check to this guy. I spent this amount. I got a check for $500 this month, whatever, and
let's talk to Mr. TFSA. Hey, boys and girls, you have extra money you don't want the government to touch?
Yeah, for sure. TFSA is the best way, by the way, guys.
And who came up with that?
Oh, don't tell me Trudeau.
No, the TFSA was put in place by Stephen Harper.
Okay,
probably sounds like that time.
Yeah, it's super. The most useful tool for any Canadian is a TFSA. Max that up, man. Yeah. Max that out to who can.
What's the max now? I don't even know.
It's 7 or 8K a year, okay?
Since 2009.
Exactly. So you never touched it since then. You have you go in your CRA account, guys, hello. You log in.
You don't even have to go to CRA account. If you've never touched it, just go to any bank website. They'll give you the limit of if you, since 2009.
Yeah, of course.
Right,
Yeah.
Tony, let's log into your bank and show.
But show everybody.
Sorry, put his account number.
But by you informing yourself and going to the CRA, your own CRA account, well, hey, you get to see, okay, this is how much of as RSPs allotted. I have my TFSA and yada yada. You know, yeah, it's amazing. Guys, interest-free money. You know, you invest it. You know, even just on a careful account. Oh, hey.
Even if you go to the CDIC account, with tax all the banks, they'll tell you the limits for tax-free. I think it's
fucking
over
abbreviations now.
100,000.
All these things are abbreviated. Fuck.